Hello, friend. This is Jimmy from Can Have an Immigration Canada. I brought this video regarding Newfoundland and Labrador about their priority skills PNP program. So let's go into the detail about this program. This program is very easy to apply and very easy to get the nomination from the province if you fall in any of their in-demand occupation list. I will also discuss some of the categories in the in-demand occupation list as of now in the province of Newfoundland and Labrador, and also will go about the what are the requirements to apply and what you should have it, what should be the age and other criteria about this program. Let's start about this program. So this program is called Newfoundland and Labrador Priority Skills Program. It is one of their provincial nomination program. So as of now, in this year, if you look at, they have given nominations to 663 candidates to apply for the provincial nominee these under this new program. This is kind of a new or kind of an old program. It's not like they have introduced it right now, but this program is in the list of the Newfoundland and Labrador immigration programs from quite a bit time, but only few people know because mostly the new immigrants want to settle in Vancouver, Calgary, Toronto, Brampton, those areas, right? Very few immigrants want to immigrate to the Atlantic provinces. But if you want to be eligible for this program and you want to get nominated, you have to, under your Express Entry profile, you have to mention that you want to make Newfoundland and Labrador your home. You want to commit that you want to live it in that province. Otherwise, that province is not going to spend much time and efforts and money on the new immigrants. Let's go into the more detail about this program. This Priority Skills Newfoundland and Labrador is the new provincial nomination program for highly educated, highly skilled newcomers with specialized experience in areas such as like healthcare, software development, and sophisticated software development. I mean to say, like artificial intelligence, cloud specialist, uh, regular web developer, software developer, and bioinformatics, right? Uh, Python development. So all these things, right? These are the areas they are finding shortage in the province. And if you think you have experience and you have the qualification to be eligible, then Newfoundland and Labrador could be your new destination here in Canada as a permanent resident. This program, Priority Skills program, has been created to help the local labor shortages. To be eligible under this program, uh, anybody can apply, whether you are here in Canada or you are outside of Canada. You need to have at least 1 year of work experience in one of the in-demand occupation. I will go through the complete list of in-demand occupation, and you definitely have to have a uh, experience of minimum of 1 year in that category if you want to get nominated for this program. And this program is also open for the postgraduates who have completed their master's or doctorate degree at Memorial University in Newfoundland in the last 3 years. How this program work? You have to create an expression of interest, as we all know. You should also have your Express Entry profile, and it should be active. Applicant needs to fill out a questionnaire to get their EOI score, and those who will get score above 60 will be their profile we will be visible to the local employer who have account with the province. Only those registered employers who are looking for quality candidates will be able to look for your profile if your score is more than 60. And if any employer over there who like your profile, your skill set, your experience, definitely they are going to give the uh, paperwork to the government that they are interested in this profile, and definitely you will be get a nomination from the province of Newfoundland and Labrador. The good thing is you need only CLB level of 5 in order to be eligible, and your test result must be less than 12 months old. As we all know, like IELTS score and other English language proficiency or French language proficiency scores, they are only valid for 2 years. But the condition in Newfoundland and Labrador, your score must be less than 12 months or 1 year or less. And they also need a candidate to be at least 21 years of age and intention to live permanently in Newfoundland and Labrador. If you are in express entry and you check all the provinces, forget about this one, right? And you have, if you want to go in that province, you have to click that you are interested in Newfoundland and Labrador to be considered for their PNP program. Only then you will be able to uh, get one of the nomination. Now let's go to some of those categories, in demand categories. Uh, in demand healthcare sector occupations for public and private healthcare provider. It could be the government also can give you the PNP in this case. Physicians, nurse practitioners, licensed practical nurse like LPN, personal care attendant, clinical psychologist, medical psychist, radiation therapist. These are the few categories they are in demand in healthcare. Let's look at the engineers and developers, software developer, biomedical engineer, uh, electrical engineer, artificial intelligence developer, mechanical engineer, Python developer, web developer, .NET developer, infrastructure engineer. Uh, if we look at technical specialists, security specialists, online, cloud specialist, bioinformatics, computer network support, research associate, data analysis, offshore technician, ROV operator, ocean mapping specialist, technical writer. And there are few categories under the aquaculture sector occupations. They are captains. FM4 certification is required for captains, farming and feeding managers, facility technician, assistant managers in aquaculture, cage site technician, site manager with the water quality expertise, and area manager under the aquaculture sector occupations. So these are the few categories they are looking for candidates, or I mean to say quality candidates, which have at least 1 year of experience in their field and they feel they are well qualified. Uh, I have already told you about the requirements they have. It's very easy. 21 year of age, CLB level only 5, no job offer required, no LMIA required, very easy PNP, 60 or more the EOI score, and you will be on your way. Okay, that was an update from Newfoundland and Labrador Priority Skills PNP program. I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.